What's going on, YouTube? Average Jeepers here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a thermostat. Mine runs a little hotter than I want it to on the trails, so we have this 160 degree thermostat we picked up from O'Reilly's for somewhere around 12 bucks, and I think it was a 95 cents or $2 gasket. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start by removing the two bolts. It's going to be this bolt right here and this bolt right here, and since I'm doing this with one hand and the phone, I'll see you once I get the bolts removed. Okay, so now that we have the bolts removed, it's just a matter of lifting this off of here, and as it turns out, I didn't even have a thermostat. Okay, well, that really makes me upset that I run hot. Okay, so now that we have the thermostat housing taken off, we're going to clean the surface, because as you can see, this looks pretty bad and that looks pretty bad, and we're going to clean it using one of these. I have a new wheel for this somewhere. I'm not sure where it is, but this should still do the trick. Okay, so now that we have the surfaces clean, you can see that looks a lot better. This one's looking a lot shinier. We're going to install our gasket, which is right here, and you're going to go ahead, you're going to knock this thing out, and this piece out. Is your two bolt holes, and this is for water flow. Okay, so at this point we've removed the sticky back cover and we've stuck it onto the thermostat housing. Now we're going to stick the thermostat in there, put this back in, and install the two bolts, and that's it, you're done. Bear with me as I'm trying to do this one-handed. And the second bolt goes back in the bottom, and I'm going to set the phone down again. Okay, so we have the two bolts in and tightened up, and last step, we're just going to connect the coolant temperature sensor, plug back in, and just like that, you're done. And fill it back up with water and you're good to go. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.